hand. Keep the lyrics in your mind, allow them to linger on. For each one has a meaning for us to persevere. Keep the festive spirit all through the year. Greet your friends with pleasant words when they say hello. Bound together with light hearts and greet young strangers too. Show them love can be fun after the hardest work is done. Hey, Spirit of Jamaica Festival. Stay with us and remain all year long. Spirit of Jamaica Festival. Stay with us and remain all year long. Tourist folks that reach oceans help us to earn our pay. We're here to enjoy our sun, swing, dance, and play. Keep us pleasant company, so join them with true harmony. Stay with us and remain all year long. Feel it, feel it, spirit of Jamaica Festival. Stay with us and remain all year long. Spirit of Jamaica Festival. Feel it, feel it. Stay with us and remain all year long. Feel it, feel it. Spirit of Jamaica Festival. Know it, show it. Stay with us and remain all year long. Feel it, feel it. Spirit of Jamaica Festival. Over, over. Stay with us and remain all year long. Spirit of Jamaica Festival. Feel it, feel it. Stay with us and remain all year long. Over, over. Spirit of Jamaica Festival.
That was Rita Marley once again. We are being blessed with the beautiful voice. We have several cuts from Rita Marley, and she's a singer in her own right. A lot of people, of course, associate with her with Bob Marley. Of course, they're married, they have a family, all that sort of thing. But Rita Marley is a musician in her own right, and she traveled the world. She has a catalog of songs with and without Bob Marley. So I encourage you to, give some props to Rita Marley for her contribution to reggae music. Oftentimes, you only hear about Bob Marley, but there's another side to that story. There's Rita Marley. And then now her sons, their sons rather, are carrying the torch. How many? I wonder how many of those children? I know it's a lot. But they are, there's Ziggy, and then there's Ronan, and then there's I forgot the rest of them, but I know it's a lot of them. So they're carrying the torch for Bob Marley, and that's a good thing. So of course, and then they have grandkids. He has grandkids now, so that seed will never perish. Um,
Well, that's always a good thing.
yeah, that's a good thing.
We have a lot of great women in our lives that always make us or break us or make us even better than we are. Uh, I was just hanging out with my mom yesterday, and like usual, mothers always uh, see the parts in us that we don't like to always show everyone else, but they
Mm,
always see the good no matter what in you,
yeah.
and you always stand there and you're like, wow, you miss her when you're not with her, and you miss them even when you're apart. No matter what, you always miss them. They're your better half. It's like a marriage, except that they're your mom.
Yeah, yeah, that's so true. And we should really appreciate our moms more, because a lot of us take what they do for granted. When I'm saying, making breakfast in the morning, cooking, um, giving you money, for things that you need, sacrificing, and they continue to sacrifice. And even if when you're not there in the same house, they still worry about you. They still pray for you. They still admonish you at times, when you're going wrong, which rightly they should. They're your mom,
Yeah, that's true.
you can say, I'm grown. I'm grown. But you're never grown in your parents' eyes.
Well, that's true.
So we have to, sometimes they can get a little, overbearing and, too concerned. But take it from someone who knows when your mom is not here, you simply want to hear their voice just one time again. So for those of you who still have your mom, really appreciate them while they're here and tell them that you love them, you know? And give them some nuggets, like, you remember so and so when you told me so and so, and I just kind of blew you off. Well, now I'm here to tell you that you were actually right. you know so, or thank them for steering you in the right direction, or give them some kind of praise. They're not seeking it typically, because mothers are unconditional, and they're not seeking, your thanks and gratitude. But it's always good to appreciate them face to face. With all this social media and FaceTime and Skype and WhatsApp, and the emails and the telephone. Because I mean, just to let you know, the telephone is not personal. Okay, the only thing that's really personal is when you're face to face. So, a word to the wise in this digital age. So, really travel to see your mothers if you're out of town. Make the effort, you know, and go to their house, go to see them on a regular basis, because nobody lives forever, right, Dougie?
Never.
Although we will wish nobody lives forever. So, now, what are we going to hear soon, Dougie? What you got going on? I know you. I know you got such a catalog there, and so tell me what you got going on. I see you searching. I see you searching. I know you got something cat out of your bag.
Yeah, this is called We Carry On.
Oh yeah, we carry on. Yes, we do.
Rita Marley.
Shout out to Rita Marley on Mother's Day. Shout out to all the mothers. Shout out to my mom. Shout out to Paul Van Devious' mom. Shout out to Dougie's mom. DJ Dougie Fresh. Shout out to everybody on Triple Vibes Radio who makes this possible. We really appreciate you. Sinatra, Shar Black, and all the other crew. You know who you are. So shout out to your mom. And we love you. We're all a family here. We can carry on. This is Rita Marley once again. We can carry on. Children, we must carry on now. We can carry on, yeah. We can carry on. Oh yeah. People like you need people like me, and people who need to be free, yeah. Well, I know a place we can carry on. Hey, I know a place we can carry on. Children, we can carry
you down, and it's full of hate, and all of your best friends just to let you down. Hey. But then you try to accumulate, but they just can't appreciate, and all of your best dreams are just a drift through space. Yes, hey. Oh, I know a place we can carry on now. Oh, I know a place we can carry on. Children, we must carry on.
I got you on that one.
Nothing carry on now.
That was what, Dougie? What do you always say? That was what?
Flock together.
And he has on
If
yellow
we
today.
ain't brothers
So
and
that's the
sisters,
code word. He
then
always
we
says.
are one
Say it again,
flesh and
Dougie. He was saying.
blood. Oh, I know
That's his thing.
we can carry on now.
See, I'm
I
getting
know
too
the
predictable.
place.
Reggae Love at triplevibes.com.
Oh yeah, I know it. Come on, let's show it. Ooh. Carry on. Oh yeah.
Reggae Love at triplevibes.com.
Serious time. Oh, what a serious time. Serious time. Oh, what a serious time. If the sun is so hot, then what about the Father? He is greater than bread. You gotta be greater than bread. Serious time. Oh, what a serious time. Serious time. It is a serious time. We sow the seed and we plant the corn, but they don't want us to reap, and that I know it is true, brother. A serious time, sister, serious time. It is a serious time. I know a serious time. A serious time. It is a serious time. Oh, what a serious time. It is a serious time. This is a song. Keep it in your mind. You know that it is true. They're trying to keep us down. We plant a seed and we sow the corn. They try to reap what they don't know about. A serious time. Oh, what a serious time. It is a serious time. Oh, what a serious time.
Happy birthday to Eric and Isaac King, John Thomas,
Yeah.
and so many others. It's your
Every
birthday. Happy birthday. If you graduated,
So much time, Mom.
congratulations.
Ain't no fun. Don't kill the babes.
Your older brother and sister
Let them come of age.
Congratulations to them.
No more stations.
Your father, your cousin,
Whoa.
who it was.
Serious time. You know we gotta be strong. It is a serious time. Oh, what a serious time. It is a serious time. Oh, what a serious time. Oh my God. I said, if the sun is so hot, then what about the Father? He is redder than red. Got to be redder than red. Cause it's a serious time. Oh, what a serious time. Robert. Ow.
That was Rita Marley once again. She's representing for the mothers today, you know. All that catalog she
Love at
We are almost
triplevibes.com.
into House of Love will be coming up, and the mood and vibe will change. So we're gonna pump it up soon. And this is Reggae Love with the one and only
Code
DJ Dougie Fresh. And I am
nycmag.com.
Queen Regine. I'm
Arriving.
overseeing today.
Terminal 12. Liftoff. Code nycmag.com.
Yes,
Thank you, Jack, for what you've done for me. Thank you, Jack, for what you're doing now. Now, thank you, Jack, for every little thing. Yeah, yeah. Thank you, Jack, 'cause you make me sing. I'm gonna sing along, sing along. Say I'm in no competition, but I made my decision. You can keep your opinion. I'm just crawling on the wise man communion. Thank you, Jack, for what you've done for me. Thank you, Jack, for every
my
little
first
thing.
long, Sydney
Yeah,
Kingston.
yeah. Thank you, Jack.
I see you,
Make
I see you.
the
This is
birds to
triplevibes.com.
sing. We're gonna sing along, sing along.
Giving you the best first from the house of Biggie Bear. Want to give a shout out to all our mothers. Happy Mother's Day. What do you say? What do you say, my co-host with the most?
Yeah. Happy Mother's Day to everyone. Is this photo of Biggie in here? Is this a new photo? I don't remember seeing this in here. You know, it's a painted picture in here. It's beautiful.
Well, I don't know. I wasn't paying attention when I was in there.
Yeah, well, when you come back in here, it's on the wall, and it's actually very beautiful rendition of Biggie in oil and canvas. And I know I'm not crazy. I've never seen this picture in here before.
So,
Yeah, it showed up. He showed up big time today.
we're trying to spruce up the studio, put it back together.
Yeah, it looks great. It's so nice and clean, and it's like the red, you know, like red, triple vibes red, and then on Wednesdays it's DJ Dougie Fresh Red Zone Red, you know. Yeah, it's beautiful. Red is one of my favorite colors. What's your favorite color, Dougie?
Could it be red?
Yeah, you wear a lot of red. So. You got red shoes. You got red DJ jackets. You got red t-shirts. You got all kinds of stuff.
Well, you know what time it is, right?
Yeah. Is it time already?
It's time.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Well, we are ready. This is House of Love. Yeah.
Of love.
With We're changing
at
over, baby.
triplevibes.com.
That's right.
La oficina de Neil Richardson Data Law. 212
Words from our
358
sponsors.
9690.
Casa de Amor.
Neil
Triple
Richardson
Vibes
Data Law
.com.
Offices. 212 358 9690.
That's right. This is triplevibes.com. I'm DJ Dougie Fresh. How's it going out there, everyone? Y'all ready for it? I know I'm
Yeah, we
ready.
ready. This is Dream Regine, and I'm on the scene today. We got callers already calling in. Wow. We popular before we popular. You know how it is, Dougie?
Yeah, it's one of those things.
They can't wait, can they?
It's
DJ
crazy.
Dougie Fresh on the beat. Are you ready, baby?
Oh,
We're gonna
wow,
do it live,
snap.
live on the Triple Vibe, baby. Let's do it.
Oh, that sounds good, Dougie. Oh, you had something special for me today. You sneaky. I didn't know about that.
Uh-oh.
The fabulous DJ Big Ball.
That's right, baby. You're listening to House of Love. Are you ready?
Yeah, ready.
Come on. Hot, sicker than your average. Pop a twist cabbage on instinct. Niggas don't think shit stink. Pink Gators, my Detroit players. Tim's from
Who's on the line? Who's on the line?
Who's that on the line?
There he goes. There he goes.
Is this Queen Regine?
Yes, this is Queen Regine. I'm on the scene. Who's this?
This is DJ B.
Oh, DJ B. How you doing? Hey, you right on time. You got here quick today. You on the money. How you doing today, DJ B?
Hey, not too bad. Beautiful day on this Sunday Mother's Day.
Uh-huh.
They have Mother's Day to everyone out there. And
Thank you so
yeah,
much.
it's a beauty day here.
Oh, that's so nice of you. Is your mom still with us?
Yeah, she's coming to the best of health right now, but she's still hanging in there.
Yeah. Are you gonna do anything today? Anything special?
Oh, yeah. We're going over to her place. We've got a small apartment and stuff. My sisters and I are going to go to the cooker dinner and stuff. So.
Oh, okay. Well, that's great. Can you cook, DJ B? Can you cook?
Yes, I can, as a matter of fact.
Are you sure?
I am very sure.
Okay, what's your favorite dish? I'm gonna test you.
What is my favorite dish?
Dish. Yeah, what
cook.
dish do you make?
He's asking you, what can you cook?
Oh, I make an awesome honey lemon chicken with canned and rice.
Oh, okay. Well, you sound like a good catch. Okay, I'm gonna test you out when I come to Canada. I'm gonna ask for that dish, okay? And I'm gonna see what you got.
Okay, bring it on.
Put your foot in it.
We gonna see what you got, because you know talk is cheap. So I'm gonna see.
Oh, yeah, it usually is. But then,
I'm gonna see what you got.
I got
DJ.
games. I got games going.
Yeah, how's the weather over there?
It is really good. It is probably about, because we use Celsius, I'll say about 25 Celsius, that's probably around 75, 76 degrees.
You know we don't do Celsius in America.
Yeah, I know.
Don't be talking about no Celsius. You know, when you start saying Celsius and kilometers and liters, people just look at you with a deer with the headlights on, look like what?
I know. I
We're
don't use that myself. I'm still unsure.
Yeah, we're the only people in the world that are just refuse to change over to that system, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's that about?
Yeah. So what you listening to? You know, like I know we're DJs and we're radio personalities and things like that. But what's on your list? What are you listening to that you just really hooked on?
What am I listening to? Well, I have really hooked on a lot of the old school Dean Martin, Frank Sinatra stuff.
Frank
I love Dean
Sinatra?
Martin.
You said Frank Sinatra?
Yeah, Dean
Oh,
Martin,
wow.
Frank Sinatra stuff.
Oh, wow.
And as far as the new stuff goes, I really like and things like that, right? They can kind of do more than just entertain their musicians and that too. So, Ellie King, that type of thing.
Oh, okay. All right. Oh, you listening to some Frank Sinatra. That's impressive, That's really
Well,
impressive. Yeah.
Dean Martin is my favorite.
Yeah, well,
One of those old school guys. Dean
Yeah,
Martin.
Yeah, well, Frank Sinatra never goes out of style. You know what I mean? Yeah, well, anything you want to tell us? Anything, you got on your mind? Anything you want to talk about, right? Quite quick?
Anything I want to talk about? Well, I just want to say that you guys are complaining of being on the air with you guys. With a bunch of people, and it's a lot of fun. Guys, and I got summer that's going to be busy, so that's good. I got some stuff coming up, and gigs and whatever, and might have a couple of clubs still in, so we're going from June on that, so that is going to be free. So yeah, we'll just have a busy summer.
Oh, okay. Well, you're always a busy guy. That's what I say. You're one of the hardest working DJs on this North American continent. You know what I mean? You working hard, DJB.
Man, I gotta try and keep it. I gotta try and keep it up and keep food on the table and stuff, right? That's what it's about. Hey, also gotta have a good time doing it.
Yeah, I know you're really passionate about what you do. So we appreciate you calling. We're going to push on with the show here, and we're going to get started on our Big Paul. Listen to Big Paul. This guy is fantastic.
At 420.
Okay, I shall do that.
Yeah, at 420 he comes on, and he was with us down in Miami at the Catalina Hotel and Beach Club. Hey, he rocked the house. I mean, he had me pumped up, and since you like old school stuff, he's playing Studio 54, the Paradise Garage, the Loft, yeah, the Palladium, all those old school types of songs and sounds. So listen up at 420. This guy is fantastic. I mean, he's got Teddy Pendergrass, the Whispers. He's got all kinds of people that that paved the way for the music that we hear now. Okay?
Yeah. Okay, I will do that. Hey, we need to have a meeting with the girls. I will do it with the summertime. How does that?
What'd you say, DJB?
I said I will leave you with the summertime joke.
Okay. That's the joke.
All right. What do you call a waffle on a California beach?
Okay, what is it? I'm listening.
It is called San Diego.
You crazy, DJB. You know what you need to do? You need to write a little book of these crazy little jokes and anecdotes. You know what I mean? You can make some money,
You got that right.
Yeah, or put them on some T-shirts, something like that. You know what I mean?
You got that right.
Yeah, you're crazy. Okay, well, thank you so much for making me laugh on this Mother's Day. And listen up at 420, okay? I think you'll really appreciate this show, okay? The Big Paul, DJ Big Paul, okay?
Sounds awesome. Thanks.
Okay, love you. We hope to see you soon. Yeah.
Thanks, and have a great day.
Okay, thank you.
Cheers.
Whatever you want.
Now, Dougie, you rocking now. You got Whitney Houston on. This is House of Love, and this is the one and only DJ Dougie Fresh. I'm Queen Regine. I'm on the scene, and I'm happy. And If you listen out there, the illustrious Carl Van Nevius, you better send me some food through Federal Express, so you know the address here. Okay? Get it there right now.
It's all that I need.
Yeah. Pump it up. Pump it up.
You can't tell, makes a special groove with fire inside of you. Anytime you feel danger or fear, then instantly I will appear. Oh, I'm every moment, it's all in me. Anything you want done, baby, I do it naturally. To the seas, I can make a rhyme of confusion in your mind. And when it comes down to some good old-fashioned love, I got it, I got it, I got it, got it, baby. I'm every moment.
You go, DJ. You came out. Bad boy. All right, at the Kentucky Derby. All right, DJ Derby. The one and only.
Right now, every word from me to say. I ain't crying, 'cause I'm the one. Just ask me, it shall be done. It don't matter to compare. I've got
Now you better work, Dougie. You got that Aretha Franklin on there coming up. Oh Lord, killing me. Rock steady, baby. Rock steady.
close my eyes, here you are, all alone, dancing in the dark. Tell me, baby, if it's wrong to let my hands do what they want. Close my eyes, here you are, all alone, dancing in the dark.
Oh no, see you walking around like it's a funeral.
You listen to TripleVibes.com.
So serious, girl, why those feet cold? We just getting started, don't you tiptoe. Waste time with the masterpiece, to waste time with the masterpiece. You should be rolling me, you should be rolling me. You're a real life fantasy, you're a real life fantasy. But you're moving so carefully, let's start living dangerously. Talk to me, baby. I'm rolling up on this, sweet, sweet baby. Whoa. Let's lose our minds and go crazy, crazy. Keep on looking, cake by the ocean. Talk to me, baby. Talk to me, baby. You be Naomi. Let's lose our minds and go crazy, crazy. Keep on hoping, cake by the ocean.
Oh, all right now, follow me.
Damn.
Diamond, diamond, shining, shining, ooh boy, you so fine. Gotta be the finest thing that I've seen in my life. I will pay whatever just to get a cut of you. And yeah, your body looks so sick, I think I caught the flu. Look at you, be my sweetie, be my honey tonight. Look at you, be my sweetie, be my honey tonight.
We run this mother. We run this mother.
You better work, baby.
We run this mother. 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 Some of them men think they freak this like we do, but no they don't. Make your check come at the neck. Disrespect us, no they don't. Boy, don't even try to touch this. Boy, this beat is crazy. This is how they made me. Houston, Texas, baby. This goes out to all the girls that's in the club, rocking the ladies. Over buy it for themselves and get more money later. I think I need a problem. None of these dudes find me. I'm so good with this. I remind you I'm so hood with this.
Cause you're beautiful, yeah, 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 it's some kind of pride. Oh, you know you're beautiful, I know you heard it before. Oh, you know you got the look, nobody even close. Nobody even close. It's some kind of pride.
Go insane, throw some glitter, make it rain on them. Let me see them hands, let me see them hands. Go insane, throw some glitter, make it rain on them. Let me see them hands, let me see them hands.
I see you, Fernando. I see you, Sydney.
say happy Mother's Day to my mom, to every mom. Happy Mother's Day. What about you, Brittany G?
Yes, happy Mother's Day. This is Queen Regina. I'm on the scene. And in a few minutes, we're going to come up on DJ Paul Nick.
It starts right now.
You are listening to the sounds of New York classics. DJ Paul.
Sometimes I feel so bad when I think of all the things I used to do. How mama used to clean somebody else's house just to buy me a new pair of shoes. I never understood how mama made it through the week when she never ever got a good night's sleep. Oh, she's one of a kind. You've got yours and I've got mine. Oh, hey mama, my heart belongs to you. Oh, yeah. I'll always like my mama. She's my favorite girl. You only get one, yeah. I'll always like my mama. She born me in this world. A mother's love is so special. You something that you can't describe. It's the kind of love that stays with you until the day you die. She taught me little things like saying hello and thank you, please, while scrubbing those floors on a bending knee. Oh, she's one of a kind. You've got yours and I've got mine. Oh, hey mama, my heart belongs to you. Oh, yeah. Only get one, yeah. I'm talking about mama, sweet old mama. Used to scrub clothes on her hands and knees. Used to get a little rough sometimes. Oh, mama, hey, sweet old mama.
It's not over between you and me. It's not over. I don't want to be free. What has been joined by God? Now, don't throw it away. Don't throw it away. Risky changes.
You think so?
Yeah.
Shanda.
You're listening to DJ Big Paul. DJ
Little
Big
girl.
Paul.
That's what you are. Keep your eye on Keep your eye on
Get on down.
Break down that sound.
Shut it down.
That's what you are.
Can't help it. Gonna do it anyway. Yeah.
Shut up. Start off. That's what you are.
Get on down and party.
Sometimes I feel a little mad, but don't you know that the only life can always be an angel? When things go wrong, I seem to be bad, 'cause I'm just a soul whose intentions are good. Oh Lord, please don't let me be misunderstood.
You're listening to DJ Big Paul. DJ Big Paul. You are listening to the sound of New York classics.
Get up! Get up! It's party time! Clap your hands!
I'm yearning for you. When you give me a sign, off the top, will you be mine? Off the top, the light will shine. Love is such a wonderful vine. That's why I find to be one of a kind. Off the top, we'll feel the shine. Off the top, we'll feel the shine. Moonlight and you, baby. The music is you. Yeah. When all my work is done, she calls and says, "Dear, can I come?" I say to her, "No, our love is gone." Yeah. But I grasp apart, no, really not the one. She comes to the door, crying at my feet. Guilt shines in her eyes, and slowly sinks deep. You know I love it to last forever. Persuade your way, but you ain't clever. I close the door and I say never. I don't care what you're saying. Walk right now, I ain't playing. Not elsewhere for you, I'm praying. Walk right now, why could do it to me? Why could do it to me?
You're listening to DJ Big Paul. DJ Big Paul. You're listening to DJ Big Paul. DJ Big Paul.
House of Love at triplevibes.com.
Neil Richardson Data Law Offices 212-358-9690.
DJ Dougie Fresh on the beat. Are you ready, baby? We're gonna do it live on the Triple Vibe, baby. Let's do it.
Right here is go back. What we're gonna do right here is go back. What we're gonna do right here is go back.
Yeah,
Way back into time.
That was DJ Big Paul. Hey, he took us back in the vault. That was fantastic.
or something.
Yeah. We went back in time. It's like we went back in the
Here we come.
DJ Big Paul. Thank you. Another day.
We're running around. We're running around. Black or white. That's
oh, he's scratching now. He's
you gotta do your thing.
He started scratching.
You gotta do your thing.
All right. Pump it up now.
Peace will come. This world will rest. Once we have together.
We're gonna do right here is go back.
Do it right. Dynamite.
Go back.
We are
Do right here is go back.
but it's just begun. It's just
Hey, y'all on Live
begun.
Feed,
It's
Facebook
just
Live. Thanks for joining us today. Hey, it's the DJ Dougie Fresh, the only one and only Matador. I'm Queen Regina OC. I think Dougie, it feels like we're on a shipwreck island. It's just me and you today. Yeah, it's like what was that island movie? You know, a long time ago, there was this island movie. I like the orange. It's fantastic. I feel good. No, you're not coming out with no earth, wind, and fire on me. Oh, you think you something, honey. You pump it up, baby. You got the one and only earth, wind, and fire coming in here on the house. I hear it. I might get into jazz. I can do a little scat, Dougie. I'm good at that. I can do a little scat. You are listening to House of Love on Mother's Day. Isn't it beautiful? All you mothers out there, we love you. You sacrifice hard. You giving your last. You give your all unconditionally. And we love you.
House of Love at triplevibes.com.
Yeah, I love them. I've got to see them in person. I'm going to see Earth, Wind, and Fire on June 4th at, in New Jersey. Yeah. No, June, not July. Yeah, June. No, we got some plans. Our birthday. You know, our birthday's around the same time. Dougie Fresh. Okay, meet Queen Regine and the illustrious one and only Paul Van Music III. And also DJ Nova Milo. Dude, all our birthdays are right together. Boom, 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 boom. We gotta have something big, though. We gotta plan it. We got some sponsors coming up. We on the backside of 5 o'clock. At 5 o'clock, we got some sponsors coming up. And we're going to tell you a little bit more about how you can travel all around the world with LT Rewards. So just stay tuned. We're going to give you a little bit of information. And we got the one and only Riff coming up with us. And he's going to give us a little bit more information about how you can travel all over the world at quarter of the price that you're paying now, you know? So I'm so excited because I got my travel on this year. And I've already seen last year I went to Bermuda, I went to the ATL, I went to Miami. So I got a pick list this year. So I'm gonna talk to Riff about how I can make those dreams come true. You know? You going anywhere, Dougie? Dougie goes everywhere. He doesn't even need to say anything. He goes everywhere. He's been some. Hey, you been. I'm not hating. I was just making a statement. Okay. You've been on every continent. Is that right, Dougie? Yeah, I got South America to go, and then Japan, and then I'll be done. Okay. So I almost got to do it. Go, Dougie. Matador, DJ Dougie Fresh. He's on the house. He's in the house. He's on the 1 and 2. This is Queen Regine. I'm on the scene. Hey, we pumping in here. It's just him and I today. You know. So, you know, it's very intimate today. We don't even know if it's raining outside. You know, we're like in a cocoon over here.
You know what? I want to take you to church.
Okay, take me to church now. Church after church after church. This is House of Love. You listen to House of Love. Today on Mother's Day. And Carl Van Nevius III, the illustrious Carl Van Nevius III. He is cooking and he's going to send me some food by Federal Express. All right, so you getting your moves on. I see you. I see you. And he's got on this yellow shirt today. It's like Mother's Day yellow. It's so beautiful. He looks so good in it. You know?
I do what I do, baby.
And he does what he does.
This is TripleVibes.com. I'm DJ Dougie Fresh. House of Love.
House of Love at TripleVibes.com.
Can I get a witness?
Yeah, you can get a witness.
The sound of blackness.
Yeah. Hallelujah. Like Medea. Yeah, like Medea says, hallelujah.
Can I get the witness? 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 Can I
You got a witness. Yes, church after church after church. You go, DJ Dougie Fresh. You surprising me today. You coming out with your arsenal. The Matador. I got so much. Everybody on Live Me and Facebook Live, thank you for tuning in today. We love you. You're so loyal. So continue to like us, continue to send us props, and continue to just listen.
Help me, somebody. Come on.
Can I get a witness?
You got a witness. Hallelujah. As Medea would say, hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Church after church.
Neil Richardson Data Law Offices. 212-358-9690.
DJ Dougie Fresh on the beat. Are you ready, baby? We're gonna do it live on the Triple Vibe, baby. Let's do it.
House music all night long. House music all night long. House music all night long.
I work hard.
strength to survive. Yeah, ooh, yeah. Now I got love in my heart. It gives me the strength to make it through the day. Out of love, respect for yourself, and that's why I'm not looking for handouts, charity, welfare. I don't need stealing, dealing, not a feeling, no backstabbing, really grabbing, not reading. 'Cause I've got a deeper love, a deeper love, a deeper love inside. I've got a deeper love, a deeper love, a deeper love inside. Well, a deep love, a deep love, a deep love. Oh, it's the power, it's the strength to survive. And I wanna thank you for helping me see that the power that lives deep inside of me, giving the strength to carry on, always be strong. A deep love, a deep love, a deep love. I work out every day. I get up out of bed. And it ain't easy. It ain't easy. It's the power that gives you the strength to survive. A deeper love, a deeper love, a deeper love. Strength to survive. I know you miss me. I know you miss me. I know you miss me, but love. I know you miss me. I know you miss me. I know you miss me, but love. I know you miss me. Bet you got a good gun, bet you know how to have some fun and bet. Turn it around on me because I'm better than the rest of the men. I see you'll miss me and always do. I see you'll miss me. Now would I lie to you? Now there's no need to deny that my golden hair. I'll teach you and you'll never be sure. If the way that you need is too much like me, decide if you are rich or you're poor. I know you miss me. I know you miss me. I know you miss me, but love. I know you miss me. I know you miss me. I know you miss me, but love. Bet you make the fool run, bet you know how to make it last.
You feeling me with that boy George? You know you are. You know I love me some boy George. hard today, Dougie. You're not playing. Mother's Day, Dougie Fresh is not playing.
She's just like you and me, but she's homeless. She's homeless.
Up on the 1 and 2, you got Crystal Waters on the scene.
And they're singing for money.
This is Paul Van Devious calling in Code Media Group Incorporated.
Yeah, where's my food?
Happy Mother's Day, Queen. You know you're our mommy.
You call me mommy one more
How's
time.
Mamacita? Mamacita.
You know I hate
Mamacita
that.
Regina.
You know I hate that. You know I hate that.
Mamacita Regina.
Oh, you overboard. Don't let me get my switch, okay? You hadn't encountered my switch, okay?
I hope someone brought you flowers today.
Yes, honey. I'm not finished. I'm going out tonight. I got some crystal stiletto heels, honey. I got some black crystal stilettos heels, honey. I'm going out tonight.
I'm going out. Mamacita's got the high heels today.
Queen Regine, don't let me get my
Queen
switch.
Regine. Everyone a happy Mother's Day around the world. To all those beautiful women, take care of your kids, teach us the good and right from wrong, love us even when we don't deserve it, and just all the love. God bless all the mothers. And today I am cooking dinner for my entire family.
Oh, that's great.
My mother, my sister, and all the kids, and that's my Mother's Day treat. They're sitting and playing cards and eating, and I'm slaving in the kitchen.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Yeah, they really deserve it. My sister's got 4 kids and a husband.
Yeah, and they had to put up with you. They had to put up with you down there.
And mom is she deserves everything. She's a real angel. So.
Yes, I know.
Today, the Big Paul Mother's Day mix. How good was that?
Oh, that was fantastic. I'm telling you.
Right?
Yeah, I mean, Big Paul, you showed out today, honey.
He did, and he made that special for today's show.
Yes,
That's
I
on
know.
the archive mix.
Yeah, it was
And
custom made.
but we want to thank him. Patricia, CEO on the scene today.
No, she's not here today. Maybe she's with her mom today. She lives kind of far,
That's what she had said. She wasn't sure. But anyway, we have a 5 o'clock. You got a call from Rick and Loretta calling in to talk about LT rewards for the $3.99 trip anywhere in the world for a week. And, that's code NYC 88 is the code. And you can see everything, all the DJs, everyone on the show on CodeNYCMag.com. And if you click on DJs, you'll learn about the DJs, especially the one and only superstar Dougie Fresh. And obviously Queen Machine is there as well on their music. And all the other information that you want to call in, Canada and the other associates, they're all part of the team. And I'm calling in to bless you all. Thank you. I am not on the scene today. I'm focusing on the family as I need to do. But happy Mother's Day to everyone. I love you. Carl Van needed to serve. And God bless you. Church after church after church.
Okay, don't forget to send my food. Federal Express, you know the address here.
Yeah. Plane tickets are coming, people. Daytona Beach, we opened up a sister office called Sunrise Studios. And we're producing a new magazine, as well as the new edition of Code NYC. It's in full production. It should be out sometime in July. But by 4th of July, we hope to release the first inaugural issue of Sunrise magazine. So you can check it out. Go to DaytonaSunrise.com. or go to CodeNYCMag.com, and everything's there. Go to CodeNYCMag.com. And don't forget, our DJs are now playing 5 of the top rooms starting the last Friday night. Our DJs will be playing either Sky Room, Hudson Terrace, Show, Lavo, or The Attic. At least once a week, one of our DJs will be performing at the hottest. Look online, you see the invite, so that you say Code NYC at the door, you're complimentary, come be part of the party. Now, next Friday and or Saturday, we will be at one of the 5. Okay?
Okay, Carl. Thank you so much.
Happy Mother's Day, Queen Regine. Mamacita.
Hey, Carl, don't forget. Call John Thomas. It's his birthday. I'll be DJing his birthday.
We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't dance anymore.
What song is this, Dougie? I love this song.
We don't talk anymore.
Charlie Brown, Selena Gomez.
Oh, yeah, that's the song. And you mixing it up, Dougie. You mixing it, baby. You mixing it, baby. Doing it well. That was the illustrious Small Man. He was the 3rd Code NYC magazine. And this is the DJ Dougie Fresh, the one and only DJ of the Red Zone House of Love. And I'm Queen Regine. I'm always on the scene. Yeah, baby, I'm getting today in full force. Hey, turn it up, Dougie. Turn it up. Who's this?
Hi, Regine. Queen Regine, it's Riff.
Oh, hey, Riff. Oh, this is Riff from LT Rewards Travel. How are you?
I'm doing great today. Happy Mother's Day, and happy Mother's Day to all the ladies out there.
Yes, and happy Mother's Day. Is your mother still with us?
Yeah.
Well, happy Mother's Day to your mother. Are you doing anything today?
No, actually, I got some yard work to do, which
bless
isn't too exciting, but it's going to rain down here pretty soon, so I got to get some stuff done.
Oh, I see. Okay. Well, you know, too much work makes Jack a dull boy now, so get you some rest. So tell us about, I'm looking forward to doing my travel. I'm so excited. And there's so many places. I have a list of places I want to go. So just tell us, about LT Rewards for the people who weren't here last week. Just give us a little information about your program.
Well, we're really happy to bring LT Rewards to your listeners and the people that go to NYC Mag. And what it is we've got, our partners have over 100 years combined experience in travel and technology. So they put together this program where we've got resort condominiums all over the world for just $399 for an entire week. It's like nothing I've ever seen before, probably nothing like any of your listeners have ever seen before. We're on every continent except Antarctica. Can't promise to get you a place in Antarctica. But we're on every continent. Like right now, we've got over 1,000 resort weeks in Orlando you can go to. We're talking studios to 4 bedrooms, so there's something for everybody. Kitchens. So, especially if you're traveling with your kids, you don't have to take them out for breakfast and lunch and dinner. You can 34 cities in Italy. 34 different cities you can go to in Italy.
Oh wow, that's wonderful. I've always wanted to go to Milan. I've been to the southern portion of Italy, but I've never been up to the northern portion. So that's a place that's on my list to go to the northern part of Italy. So I'm glad you said that. You know.
Well, yeah, my best friend's in Italy right now, and he's posting all these pictures on Facebook, driving all of his friends crazy.
Wow, yeah, I know they're jealous. Look, and I understand that right now you're going to waive that $4.95 introductory fee. Am I correct about that?
Yes, we are, and that's the deal for your listeners. So, and it will be $19.95 per month. But the great thing is, when you pay that, we give you $500 in rewards cash, what we call rewards cash, you can use on the site. Okay. So when you go to use your rewards cash, that's for shopping, online shopping. That's for hotels, cruises, so if you want to travel. We also have local offers. You put in your zip code, and you can search within 5 miles, 20 miles, 35 miles for dining, entertainment, and even more shopping.
Oh, okay.
So you're paying the $240 a year, but you're getting more than twice back in rewards cash. So you're actually going to make money.
And then after that, you still get discounts on these places where you can shop and then get maybe pizza and dinners and all those sorts of things. Can you get movies? So you still get discounts on those things. Is that correct?
Exactly. And the thing is, when you're traveling, you just put in the zip code wherever you're at, and you can see more. So if you're thinking, hey, should we go to this restaurant? Should we go do this? Should we go do that? It's covering everywhere in the country.
Oh, I see. So you can get, not only can you get local within your neighborhood, you can also, as you travel, you can get discounts on the restaurants, and that's a great thing. That's a great savings, especially if you have a family or even if you're a couple. That's a good amount of money that you can save, and you might not even have known about those places till you put them in and put the zip code in, and you say, "Oh yeah, I want to try that place." So that's also navigating you to different types of places that you would have not known about.
Exactly, and a lot of the deals are you use $20, $25 of your rewards cash, but each restaurant gives us a different deal. Like you use $20 or $25 of your rewards cash, you're going to get 20 to 25% off of your bill.
Oh, I see.
So I know up in New York, you can spend a lot of money at a restaurant.
Oh, yeah.
So you can be saving even more than the $20 or $25 in rewards cash you use.
Yeah, well, here in New York, food is a premium here. So any type of savings you can get is much needed in New York City. I've never shopped in a place where the food is so incredibly expensive for so little. I'm from the South,
right.
So you know what that means when it comes to food.
I'm sorry, did I make you hungry?
Yeah, but I'm saying, when you get food down south, I mean, you can take home some and maybe eat 2 more meals on that food,
Oh, I see what you're saying.
And they wait.
No, it's $19.95 per month to become a member. It's $3.99 for a resort week.
Okay, so it's $19.95 per month, and then you get those $3.99 resort weeks for a week at a time.
Yeah.
Oh, well, that's great. Oh, that's really wonderful. What are you? Do you have any special? Like, can they go to the site and find specific trips? Like packages and things like that on the site?
Yeah, what they do is when they put in their NYC88 promo code.
Yes.
That zeroes out the enrollment fee. Keeps the monthly fee at $19.95 and deposits $500 in rewards cash into their account for them to use.
Okay.
And right away, they can go in and start dreaming about their vacations of their lives. Because they're going to be able to go places they never even thought of. We've got, and on the NYC Ag website, when you click on our ad there,
Yes.
it takes you to a page. It gives you pictures of the actual resorts that we've got all over the world.
Right. And also, I encourage our listeners, this is not going to last forever, this special promotion. So, it's a lot. We have a lot of listeners, and, people are taking advantage of this offer. And you got to understand it's not going to last forever. So I encourage everybody to go to the code NYCMag.com site, click on LT Rewards, and then go ahead and get your account started and take advantage of this offer. You cannot be anywhere $399 a week anywhere in the world. I mean, that's unheard of.
And they're beautiful resorts. They're beautiful places. Again, go through there and look at the different places. And it's updated every day. You've got live inventory.
Okay, so it updates daily.
Yes.
Okay.
So if there's some place you want to go and it's not there today, it's probably going to show up sometime in the next week or two. But at the same time, reason it's a limited time offer is when people go and they see something, it may be gone the next day as well.
Right.
For the time that they're looking at, how more will show up. It's just moving very quickly, as you know, e-commerce does. But yeah, this deal that we're giving your listeners is for a limited time, but we're very happy to bring it to you.
Right, and this is, vacation season is coming up. So, I encourage all our listeners to take advantage of this offer. It will not last forever. It's only so much inventory. And, we have over 14 million listeners. So, you do the math out there. So if you like this offer, I encourage everyone. This is fantastic. It's unheard of to go somewhere for a week for $399. Are you kidding me? So, and they have studios and apartments, and you can get kitchen and kitchenettes. So you can save money on food too, especially families. Wouldn't you think they would save a lot of money, Riff?
Oh, absolutely. Think about, when you take your kid out, how much food they leave on the plate.
I don't want any more.
And for the price of a dozen eggs and a loaf of bread and some orange juice or some milk or some lunch meat, think how much you're going to save on that instead of going out and paying at a restaurant.
Yeah, friend. We went to Bermuda.
Yeah, it's crazy.
It was $87 for two people. Okay. So, I wish I could have taken advantage of something like this. And I definitely am. And I appreciate us collaborating with LT Rewards. This is fantastic because I love to travel. And I know everybody else loves to travel. And they just don't see how they're going to make their dreams come true. So you're really.
Well, and that's what the LT is.
Yeah.
If you love to travel, you're going to love our site, and we want people to do it for a lifetime.
Yes, and take those memories. You can have the house, you can have the cars, but when it's all said and done, when you're looking at those photos and your family's happy, you see your children, you see your friends, your loved ones, and those memories are priceless, and those memories will go on forever. So, cut back on buying the stuff and go somewhere and spend time together. Get off the social media, get off the Facebook, get off all those different vehicles for a minute and just spend some quality time with each other. That's what it's all about, right, Rick?
It really is, because think about your childhood. You probably remember the first trip you took with your parents.
Oh, yes.
You don't remember you might remember the first doll or something you got, but you don't remember the things you buy quite as much. You remember the trips, you remember the experiences, but to make it so that our members that sign up through the Code NYC Mag website use promo code Code NYC88. We wanted to give them something, so even though they're spending about $20 a month, we're giving them back over twice that value that they can use for their shopping, for hotels. They're going to save so much money, they're really going to fall in love with it.
Right. And also, do you have discounts on airfare on your site?
No, we don't do airfare.
Okay. All right. And just to let everybody know, there are plenty of places to visit right here near in your area in the United States. So, you can drive places and go stay for a week, like Myrtle Beach and, Rhode Island and Providence, all these different places that you can go see. Virginia, Norfolk, the beach over there. It's plenty of places. Myrtle and Savannah, Georgia, and Florida. There are plenty of places where you can go that you don't have to fly. You can get in the car, pal everybody in there, and go for a whole week for $3.99. How can you beat that?
Well, and that was the whole idea. Is we wanted to make these memories available to everybody. We wanted to, because if you're rich, you can go and do anything you want, pretty much.
Yeah.
But let me tell you, even rich people like a good deal.
Yeah, they like a deal, right?
Yeah, and if you're spending less on your accommodation, then you get to have a nice bottle of wine with dinner. Maybe you're looking at your budget for the trip and you're like, we really shouldn't do that. It's going to let you get the most out of your trip.
Yes, and it's not how much you spend, it's how much you save, So, with that $3.99, that's a done deal. That's less than $400. And then you factor in you know what I mean?
Yep.
All right. Well, we thank you so much and for calling us, and we thank you so much on this collaboration. I'm so excited because, of course, we'll have events coming up soon, and that's good to know that we'll have some place to.
Well, exactly. If you're just going for the weekend, our hotel prices are going to be anything else online. And for the few times that they don't, because as you know, when you look for a hotel, the prices can change within the day. You go back to the website a few hours later and the prices. So we're going to beat them almost all the time. But on the few times we don't, we still give you a lowest price guarantee. So you're going to save money. Whatever you do, you're going to save money on our website. We're really excited about it. We're happy to share it with y'all.
Right. And, bridal season is coming up soon. And, you have a bridal registry. And you have you can put your people up with this deal, in your rooms and that sort of thing and book the rooms. So this is a great vehicle, for couples to pay for their trip because you can put that trip on a bridal registry. That's fantastic. I've never seen that before. And, you all are innovators. So, you're way ahead of the curve. So everybody, you need to jump on this now. I'm really telling you, it's not going to last forever. It's not enough inventory for it to last forever.
Well, exactly. Like you mentioned how many listeners you have. We want to make sure that we have a lot for people to choose from. So we will be limiting the number of people that we sign up. We're constantly growing. We're constantly adding new resorts into our program.
Right.
So there's going to be inventory for you. But obviously we don't want 14 million people signing up because we don't have 14 million resorts. We've got tens of thousands.
Right. Okay. So that's good to know. And we thank you so much, you, Riff, and Loretta. We thank you so much for collaborating with us. And we look forward to many, many vacations and many, many good times in the future.
Well, thank you for having me on the show.
Oh, you're more than welcome. You're part of the family. So we're not really having you on the show. You're part of the show.
Uh-oh, you better watch. I might take over.
Oh, Lord, have mercy. I ain't mad at you. Well, thank you so much. And we're going to get back to the music. And we will speak next week.
Sounds good. Thank you very much, Queen Regine. Happy Mother's Day once again to all.
And Loretta to her mom. And if she's a mom, happy Mother's Day.
Thank you very much.
Okay. We'll see you soon.
Okay. Bye-bye.
All right. House of Love. All right, Dougie, he's on the 1 and 2. He's pumping it up as we speak now. Hey, 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 hey. Dougie, you driving me what? I can't hear you, baby.
Just bananas, baby. Just
Yeah.
bananas.
We're here at Triple Vibes Radio, courtesy of Triple Vibes Radio. This is House of Love. And this is DJ, the one and only Matador DJ Dougie Fresh. And I'm Queen Regine. I'm always on the scene. And you heard earlier for the one and only electric call man who is the third. And that was Whip, as well as Loretta from LT Rewards. And they're our new collaborators for our travel. And we extend that travel out to all our listeners. So just go to codenycmag.com. You'll see LT Rewards. Put in code NYC88. That is your promo code NYC88. And start traveling, baby. As soon as you press the button, you are able to travel and to pick from over 70,000 properties all over the world.
Don't act like you know me, nah, nah, yeah. You don't know me, oh yeah, nah, nah, yeah. Don't act like you know me, nah, nah, yeah. I am not your homie, nah, nah, yeah. Don't act like you know me, nah, nah, yeah. You don't know me, oh yeah.
I mean, we can throw shapes together, but it doesn't mean you're in my circle.
Yeah. Cruise through life and I'm pulling out track. If you can't keep up, then you better fall back. Cause money look better when I see it all stacked up. Ooh. See, you can't get too much of a good thing. Small me dressed up in the finest things. Well, please hold your tongue, don't say a damn thing. See your iPhone camera flashing. Please step back, it's my style, you're cramping. You here for long, go no, I'm just passing. Do you wanna drink? No, thanks for asking. You know me, like you know me, nah, nah, yeah. You don't know me, fuck yeah, nah, nah, yeah. Don't act like you know me, nah, nah, yeah. I am not your homie, nah, nah, yeah. Don't act like you know me, nah,
House
nah, yeah.
of Love at triplevibes.com.
House music all night long. House music all night long. House music all night long.
I call it housework. Cause it's light work. What you gonna do? I'ma throw shapes, filling the bass to my feet hurt.
DJ Dougie Fresh on the beat.
housework.
Are you ready, baby? We're gonna do it live.
I'ma throw
On the
shade if I
Triple
don't get
Vibe,
paid for
baby.
this
Let's do
housework.
it.
I call it housework.
Happy Mother's Day to
Cause it's
everyone.
light work. What you gonna do? I'ma throw shapes, filling the bass to my feet hurt.
Happy birthday.
I
I
call
mean,
it
happy
housework.
Mother's Day to everyone. I'm
Cause
up
it's
here
light
bugging
work.
out.
What you gonna do? But I'ma
I'm
throw
in the
shade if I don't get
bathroom,
paid for this
let's go.
housework. I'ma throw shapes. I'ma throw shapes. What you gonna do? I'ma throw shapes. I'ma throw shapes. What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
love
I said, why you over there looking at me? Why you over there looking at me? My girlfriend, take it to the hotel. We can take it well. Let's take it to the hotel. We can take it well. Hotel, baby, leave with me. I got a penthouse suite. I said, hotel, baby, leave with me. I got a penthouse suite. I said,
We're going there. This is TripleVibe.com, baby. Woo!
Why you over there looking? Staring in front of me, you fucking. And then you see my girl stop fronting. I can tell you up to a little something. Hold up. I'ma say cool, controller. Why you make your way to get over? Girl ain't down, it's over. Just tell her that she look good when I hold her. In the first place, pour one up, baby, don't be too thirsty. Groupie love ain't never gon' work. See, hoes ain't loyal and never keep it low key. That ain't alright. I'ma take a shot, the shots through the night. Tell her, yo, keep it fun, make it feel it's alright. Do me the game close up. And better honey, gotta take them to the hotel. Said, why you over there looking at me? Why you over there looking at me? Bring it to me, that freak, no class and stuff. I've been pushing up. That bring it to me, that freak, no class and stuff. I've been pushing up. That bring it to me, that freak, no class and stuff. I've been pushing up. Clap it up, stack it up, weigh your purses, back it up, grab a hand, tell her where she go now. If you really wanna take this party to the hotel, why you over there looking at me? While I'm with my girlfriend, why you over there looking at me? My girlfriend,
Off the charts.
I'll just let this rock. Off
just wait before it can go off. Of course, it had to go off right there, right?
Mr. Worldwide, right? Mr. Worldwide, Mr. Worldwide, Miami, T-Pain, Tally, Sean Paul, Jamaica, Ludacris, ATL. Now let's show the whole world how we get down. Remix.
Oh yeah, shorty, what's happening? Girl, let's get this thing cracking. You just bend it on over. I will get behind and you can get wild.
Something to learn. Shake your body on bang, 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 bang. Something to learn. Shake your body on bang, 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 bang. Something to learn. Shake your body on bang, 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 bang. Something to learn. Shake your body on bang, 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 bang.
Shake, 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 senora. Shake it left and right. Right, work, 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 senora. Right into my right.
Mr. Worldwide, I pop up and greet her, pump, 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 beat her, pump, pump, and eat her. With no religion, make them believers. I always hit too. Call me Jeter, Shop Pop, Bang, Pitbull, and Luda. We about bread, paper, and moolah. Mommy right there, here's great medulla. Once catch a dash, catch me in Cuba. Señorita, shake, and I let her mojadita like the Great Lakes. Mal hablado, y fresco, la medulla, mami, dale México.
Oh yeah, shorty, what's happening? Girl, let's get this thing cracking. You just bend it on over. I will get behind and you can get wild.
Something to learn. Shake your body on bang, 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 bang. Something to learn. Shake your body on bang, 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 bang. Something to learn. Shake your body on bang, 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 bang. Something to learn. Shake your body on bang, 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 bang.
You working it.
Nobody touch me in a rush.
Fantastic.
Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, I'm these are my vision. You took my heart, I'm asleep at decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never seen. Wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. Work for me, I'll be working. You see me do me
One
dirty.
and only DJ Ducky Fresh.
Remember that
On
work.
the 1 and 2.
You see me do me dirty.
I'm telling you.
The way you walk out. Before the table turn. Beg is something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I got another chance to, I will never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see through. I hope that you see through. What can I say? Just to recognize I'm trying, baby. I do, it's to me, I do, it's to me, do me, tell me about that.
We just need to slow the motion. Don't get it away to no one long distance. I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you wait till you never still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done if you come over. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas trying to end me off. Yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight, I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need face to face. You could pick a time and a place. You could spend some time away. Now you need to forward.
Just let me liberate you. You don't need no purpose. That man is not your man.
Everybody, come on. You're the hottest chick in this place. I feel so lucky. You wanna hug me? What love's with lucky? Okay, now he was close. Try to domesticate you, but you're an animal. Baby, you see me, just let me liberate you. You don't need no care. That man is not your man, and that's why I'm gonna make you good
All right now. Woo! Get that party started. Woo! Yeah, it's getting serious now, Dougie Fresh. Girl, Lauren Hill.
Ready or not, here I go. You can't hide. Gonna find you and take it slowly. Ready or not, here I go. You can't hide.
Of love at triplevibes.com.
Make you want me, make you want me, make you want me. Won't find you. Won't find you and make you want me.
Yes, darling. I heard this so many times. You know, I'm going to see Hernan Catano and Nick Warren.
He's the one I dream of. Looks into my eyes. Take me to the clouds above. Take me to the clouds above. Lose control. Can't control. Can't control. Without waiting, without dreaming. Tell me there's a really love. Tell me there's a really love. Tell me there's a really love. How will I know? How will I feel? How will I know? How will I know? How will I know? How will I see? How will I see? How will I know if he really loves me? I say a prayer every heartbeat. I'm gonna love whenever we meet. I'm asking you what you know about these things. How will I know if he's thinking of me? I try to hold but too shy. Falling in love is so bittersweet. This love is strong, and we always be. I'm shaking. I wish I had you near me now. Said that love, mistaken. What a really love. DJ
Dougie Fresh on the beat. Are you ready, baby? We're gonna do it live on the Triple Vibe, baby.
I'm asking you what you know about these things. This was the last of
Doing it all night, all summer. Doing it the way I wanna. Yeah, I'ma dance my heart out till the dawn, but I won't be done when morning comes. Doing it all night, all summer. Gotta spend it like no other. It was a crush, but I couldn't get enough. It was a rush, but I gave it up. It was a crush, now I might have wanna say too much. That's all it was, so I gave it up. I live my day as if it was the last. Live my day as if it was the last. Doing it all night, all summer. Doing it the way I wanna. Yeah, I'ma dance my heart out till the dawn, but I won't be done when morning comes. Doing it all night, all summer. Gotta spend it like no other. It was a crush, saying I'm saying. That's when I'm so I gave it up. Ooh, don't you, just let it up. Don't the sun for on us.
That's right, the last minute just for you. On the House of Love, baby. Happy birthday, Eric and Isaac King. Congratulations, go on, graduate. We got you, baby, we got you.
love with the shape of you. Push and pull like a magnet. Although my heart is falling, I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room, and now my bed sheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah. I'm in love with your body. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah. I'm in love with your body. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah. I'm in love with your body. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you. We can't win it, so every day we're going on your birthday. You and me is 3 piece of gold. You can eat the little I got to flip the switch. So for hours and hours and hours in the south, and I am gonna leave you in okay. Leaving in the taxi, in the backseat of the car, make the video flip. Feel like you know you can pull up, show up. Love is in you, so you can like me. I'm enough for my life. Maybe crazy, I'm the same. It's not too much. All I'm saying, I'm enough for my life. Enough for my
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Whether you're black, Latino, white, no matter what you are, you make it. You are
Show these girls that I own them. Some call me Nikki and some call me Bowman. Skeezer, please, I'm in a visa. Giuseppe's and I need my own speaker. Sexy, sexy, that's all I do. If you need a bad, let me call up yo. Come soon in them little mini services out. I see some good girls, I'ma turn them out. Okay, bottle, sip, bottle, guzzle. I'm a bad, no buzzle. Hey, bottle, sip, bottle, guzzle. I'm a bad, no buzzle. Let's go. Giza, please, I'm in a visa. Come with me, baby. We're not getting younger. I just want you tonight. Baby, we won't do it for life. Makes me. Come fill my glass out a little more. We're about to get out and burn this door. You know we getting hotter and hotter. Sexy and hotter, let's shut it down. Sound the alarm.
She's just a girl and she's on fire. Hotter than a fantasy, feeling like a highway. She's living in a world and it's on fire. Feeling like a catastrophe, but she knows she can fly away. Oh, she got both feet on the ground and she's burning it down. Oh, she got her head in the clouds and she's not backing down.
of the saxophone. Cause you sound like the dog of the town, yeah. I'm lucky when you run, come around, yeah. Make me wobble, make me whole body couple. I mean, no, say you're trouble when you're ready for the double and you hit that. Nothing at the middle. Play with it a little. Why you sound a tickle? I'm telling you that it's that. Nothing at the middle. Stay with it a little. Why you sound a tickle? I'm feeling that.
To the I to the no no. To the I to the no no. To the I to the no no no. My name is no, my sign is no, my number is no. You need to let it go, you need to let it go, need to let it go. Down to the I to the no no no. My name is no, my sign is no, my number is no. You need to let it go, you need to let it go, need to let it go. Down to the I to the no no no. One, two, three. What you gonna say? You ain't running game. You cannot believe in every word. Call me beautiful, so original. Telling me I'm not like other girls. I was in my zone before you came along. Now I'm thinking maybe you should go. Blah blah blah. I be like nah. I be like nah. I be like nah. No. I be like nah.
Gas and dubs, bus a bus. Oh, eat the boy, oatmeal. Let's go.
Champagne, red lights, something's going down tonight. New clothes, fresh whip, looking for a girl to dip. Champagne, red lights, something's going down tonight. New clothes, fresh whip, looking for a girl to dip. Champagne, red lights, something's going down tonight. New clothes, fresh whip, looking for a girl to dip. Champagne, red lights, something's going down tonight. New clothes, fresh whip, looking for a girl to dip.
Come on.
A place I have to go. Well, no one told me just how to get there. But when I get there, I know. Cause I'm taking it.
Here we go.
If I stay, if I been, stone by stone, yeah. Brick by brick, oh yeah. Step by step, day by day, blah, blah, blah. And this old road is rough and ruined, so many dangers along the way. And my spirit failed me. No, I won't let my spirit go until I get to my destination. I'm gonna take it slow because I'm making it up. Step by step, you know I'm taking that. Bit by bit, now move. Stone by stone, yeah. Brick by brick, by brick by brick by brick. Step by step, I'm moving. Day by day, blah, blah, blah.
There's one thing you know for sure. You said I'ma grind forever. So it ain't no need to talk. Sit back, relax, and I'll show you haters how to boss up, I'll motivate you. Put your money where your mouth be. So let's get down to business.
Reporting live from Cape Canaveral, MK, Big Sack, let's rap. Back in time. Miami equals black mask, black gloves with a little bit of rope to tie. I flipped it, black suits, white shirts, black glasses with a matching tie, like Agent J or Agent K, and I wish the whole world would. Okay, I'm trying to make $1 billion out of 15 cents. Understand, understood, I'm a hope. Yeah, move and shake the culture. Barrier border, record breaker, won't you? Give credit where credit is due, don't you? Know that I don't give a number two. Y'all just halfway thoughts, not worth the back of my mind. But to understand the future, we have to go back in time.
Do you remember 21st night of September? Lovers changing their minds of pretenders while chasing the clouds away.
Hearts are ringing in the key that souls are singing as we dance in the night. Remember how the stars roll the night away. Oh yeah.
That's what happens when you're
my thoughts are with you, holding hands with your heart to see you. Only blue talking love. Remember how we knew love was here to stay.
Now December found the love we shared in September. Only do talking love. Remember that true love we shared today. And I saw you singing, yeah.
Do you remember never a cloudy day? Yow, ow.
Say, do you remember? Ooh, dancing in September. Do you remember? Dancing in September. There was a crowd. But dancing in September. All the way down to the summer.
Coulda never carry me go home. Carry me go home. I said we take your land, please. Come on, come on. I gonna live on no capital. Watch them pan it up at the hill. And looking at them play to we properly feel. Because downtown have shot off the kill. Them tell the tourists if we stop on the grill. So come make we start a new chapter. We not escape on the land where them capture. And me say Africa fi all too rasta. I so go tell the and stupid factors. Say, carry we go home. I bring we round a east way. Come on a rasta man. A rasta no live on no capital land. Go tell them that. Carry we go home. I said we take the land east way. Yeah, man a rasta man. I'm in a lip on a capital. Lip on a capital. That every garden a capital. And me tell you short to say that a capital. And Los Angeles that a capital. And New York City that a capital. And some of the place where you want to live sweet. A thief in the land there's no title feet. Some of these places where you want to live nice. I give them thief it in the name of Christ. Spanish town that a capital. The whole of Kingston that a capital. Remember Portland that a capital. And all gonna Trinidad that a capital. Barbados that a capital. Tell them Bermuda that a capital. I tell Colombia said that a capital.